Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Yorùbá Entertainment Gist, níbi tí a ti ń mú àwọn ìròyìn Yorùbá àti àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Orí ìkànnì Yorùbá Entertainment Gist la tún wà tá a tún ti mú oríṣiríṣi ìròyìn wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ oòjíire. Ẹ ṣé bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ́tí sí wa, bí ẹ ṣe ń bá wa ká lọ lórí gbogbo fọ́nrán tí à ń jù sórí ìlà yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, a mà tún ti dé bá ṣe ń dé lórí ìkànnì ilé ní ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kàyéfì kan la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ arákùnrin tí wọ́n ń pè ní VeryDarkMan. Arákùnrin náà ni a tún lè pè ní ajàfún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn tó ṣe pé ní iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ sì lààmìlaka ní ìlú Nàìjíríà. Ó mú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan wá sí ayélujára lórí lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, òun ni a ní kí a mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Àkọ́kọ́ náà kí a tó wọnú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ má bínú pé èdè òyìnbó ni a ó fi ju fọ́nrán yìí sí orí ìlà, ṣùgbọ́n a ní ká mú wá lórí ìkànnì Yorùbá torí pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà kò ń ṣe ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣe pé ní ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn ẹni tí kò ń ṣe ẹ̀yà Yorùbá. Ó lè ṣẹ̀ sọ́dọ̀ mi, ó lè ṣẹ̀ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yin náà tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa. La fi ní ká mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn láti lè fi ṣe kíni, láti lè fi kíyèsára. Àwọn tá a pè ní agbófinró wa, ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ti máa gbàbọ̀dè fún wa, àbí ǹjẹ́ àwọn kọ́ ni ejò tí ó wà nínú igbó tí a lè fojú rí tó lè ṣe wá ń jàǹbá láwùjọ wa? Arákùnrin DSS kan tí a mọ̀ sí àwọn otelemuye agbófinró tí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n tún yàtọ̀ tó sì tún jinlẹ̀ ju iye àwọn iṣẹ́ agbófinró tí a máa ń rí káàkiri lọ. Òun ni a máa gbọ́ wípé ó fipá bá ọmọ ọdún 12 lò pọ̀ tí kìí ṣe kan, tí kìí ṣe méjì. Ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́rin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni a gbọ́ wípé arákùnrin DSS yìí fipá bá ọmọbìnrin náà lò pọ̀, ọmọ kékeré. Kí ló lè ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣebí àwọn ẹni yìí ni a rí wípé ó yẹ kí wọ́n jẹ́ bí olùṣọ́ wa àbí olùdáàbòbò wa ní àwùjọ wa. Kí ló wá dé tó wá jẹ́ pé àwọn gangan ló yẹ ká tún máa ṣọ́ra fún? Ẹ tẹ́tí kí ẹ gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe lọ, ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ìyá ọmọ náà àti bí àwọn àti VeryDarkMan bí wọ́n ṣe máa tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ ṣé bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ́tí sí wa. Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa ṣọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí ó ń ṣọ́ wa tá a ṣọ́. Ọlọ́run á sì tún máa kó wa yọ. Ṣùgbọ́n a tún rọ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ òbí náà láti máa kíyèsára. Ìṣọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ó di ọwọ́ wa. Àwọn ọmọ wa sì kéré, àwa ọmọ a sì kéré lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin òbí wa. Bí ìṣọ́ àti ààbò bí ó ṣe máa jẹ́ lórí àwọn ọmọ wa ó dọ̀wọ́ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kíyèsára láti lè jẹ́ kí irú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú kó má máa ṣe alábàápàdé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú yìí ní agbègbè wa àti ní àwùjọ wa. Ẹ ṣé bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ́tí sí wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a wo fọ́nrán náà. Ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
All right, so I have to tell this woman and her daughter to come all the way from Benue State to Abuja because of what happened in Benue and how the whole thing is being treated. Now, they arrived 10 p.m. yesterday night, so I brought them to this apartment, so I'm going to stay. Then today, on a fit talk with you happen. Now, madam, before you tell Nigerians what happened, how old is this girl?
12 years, sir.
She's 12 years old?
Yes, sir.
And she's your daughter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please straight to the point. What happened?
I dey send her go grand. The place where I dey send her go grand, one DSS officer dey guide one of their madam there.
You go talk loud. The place where you send her go ground.
One DSS officer dey guide their madam for that place.
Okay.
So my guess, anytime where she dey go grand, the first time she dey go grand, the man call her say make he come, say like her, make he be in girlfriend.
Okay.
I tell my daughter to enter inside.
Okay.
So my daughter say when she enter inside, the DSS officer tell her say make she pull her clothes, make she lie down for bed. Now I come ask her say as you lie down for bed, wetin happen? Come say the man come put him own clothes too. So I come ask her say wetin come happen as he put him clothes, come tell her say make he open her leg as he lie down. Now I come carry her pray, put am for her bum bum. Now because as she do am finish, wetin come happen? Come say he get up, she see white thing for bed.
Okay, madam, I will stop you there. Young lady, you fit talk?
Yes.
Okay, so you will talk exactly what happened. You understand? So how everything take happen?
Give me 10 say let me go and grand.
use pidgin TikTok. Just speak your normal this thing. Or you want to speak English?
Speak anyhow if you speak here.
Oh yeah, speak.
Talk loud.
So I'm going to say let me go and grind for Kunuaya. So I was passing there. Then call me say let me go and drop what I want to grind. Let me come back. As I come back, carry me enter inside the room I used to work. She said let me put my clothes, then I lie down on the bed, then say let me open my leg. I open my leg, then carry pig and put into my bum. When he finish, let me stand up. Let me go, then they grab my son. Then I go, then stand up, then wear my clothes back, then go where they used to grab my thing. Another day she call me, say let me go and drop it. But I want to go and grind, then come back. I go drop and come back. He said let me enter inside. The guy first enter inside. Then me I say she open small gate and key. If me I come, let me enter inside. As I enter inside, then say let me put my clothes. Then say let me lie down on top the bed. I lie down on top. Say let me open my leg.
Again?
Yes.
How many times did this happen?
4.
4 different days.
Yes.
Other DSS people no day for there.
No, so that one fat man, fair woman, and 2 children.
So this man, when your mother say na DSS,
Yes.
he carry gun.
They keep going inside the room.
You see gun inside the room.
Yes.
So as you come out that first day, why you no come tell your mommy?
She said, she let me not tell my mom that I was fearing the gun.
You are fearing the gun and he say you should not tell your mommy.
Yes.
So madam, how you can't find out?
So this girl, one of my guys is near their house.
Where
near the DSS office house.
Okay.
So that girl now, Moga uncle say me she can't stay me. We get the only stay inside house, the cook, chop, lie down. So Moga uncle say me come with the lens, small thing like the hair, what I do and the business, what I do.
Okay.
So this girl can't come now. So this my girl can't do something I want beat. And now she can't say, mommy, man, no beat Tara to say, get ready they happen when me I don't even know self. Now because I waited Tara to do again. Tara to come. Let Tara to come, but this my girl can't sit down. Now the girl can't narrate the whole thing. Say if you be outside, they say water for ball outside. But they pour water this thing outside, they say. So when you did that, they say they see Tara to they enter that place. And they say that guy no be better person. And this girl, so now about they say, why you not tell me all this? I say she no want to because they carry her come from village. She must be happy. And she no want something where she could do where that they will tell her say, you bring pro lawyer come up from my house, they go village.
And a DSS.
And a DSS also they even fear the uniform person man. So now this girl now pass Tara to so I begin explain. Now how this girl come begin explain everything for me.
Okay, so as the thing happen, when I go back to the house, go tell the madam of the DSS.
So as this thing happen now, you get one of Moga's sister, Moga brother wife na DSS. So come call the woman. As we call the woman, the day we call the woman on 16 this month. Now we call the woman. As we call the woman, now the woman call say, hey, now your colleague they do this thing. Make her know what they may go meet the madam.
Okay.
This date, why I go hospital. So the woman can't go meet the madam, can't discuss everything with her. Say, see what your worker they do to my brother.
Yes, okay.
So when you come go meet the woman, and the woman come carry the matter enter their office. That is their second madam. Let this guy the guide.
Okay.
The woman no like her. Come carry the matter into office. Now they even go report for me for their office.
Okay.
So as they report the whole thing, so the woman call them say, "Man, carry this girl go hospital."
Okay.
That is general hospital, not bank.
Okay.
As I carry her enter hospital, so doctor check her. The doctor say they already used the case. I'm not even dey inside when the doctor check her.
Okay.
The doctor tells me I go outside. So that I go check. I mean, me no come fear my face. Me probably say,
yes.
I need to tell her this to talk.
Okay.
After the doctor hear from her,
okay.
then the doctor come outside, collect hand glove.
Come
Check her. Check her. And the doctor come and say they don't use this care. She advised me make her no close my mouth so that the person no come go hear this thing tomorrow. They will call arrest me.
Okay.
There will come be problem. So as we come back for the hospital, so those people they send message for me. That's for their office.
The DSS.
The DSS office.
How did they send the message?
They send the woman husband to me. I carry
The girl
They
come.
carry the girl come. So immediately we just reach, now the man carry us to go their office.
Okay.
As we go their office.
Where the office there for Benue?
This government house side.
Government outside. Okay.
So when we go their office now, they come here from my girl. My girl explain everything, I explain everything.
Okay.
One of their other side. So from there now they come sit talk. They will go do investigation.
Okay.
They say they will go do investigation. Well, they carry us go meet their madam.
Okay.
The madam hear from us. They carry us go do investigation. So they carry them when we enter motor from their office, the person will follow.
Okay.
As we reach the Court 5 junction,
Okay.
we tell my girl, say, we will know sabi the road, now you go show us the road. So the woman begin ask and say, where is the road? My girl direct us. This gate, my daughter go tell you, say, no be this gate. The woman go point another, go say, na this, go say, no be this. When we reach them, my girl call, my daughter come tell the woman, say, make them stop. Say, na here. Me, I even dey inside motor, I know even, they say, make I no even come down from motor.
Make the day sure say she know what she dey talk.
They say, make I no come down from motor.
Okay.
When they come down from motor, the woman, they open the gate, they enter inside the compound.
Okay.
So according to that, they say the woman say she enter inside the security room. This girl dey outside. The woman lock the door. Begin ask her question. Waiting dey inside the room. My daughter now tell the woman say the bag where they carry come work dey the room. Gun lie down front of the bed. And the position of the bed is also like this. Now the woman say correct. Now they carry my girl enter inside. Begin ask her inside the room. How they take sleep with you? How they take do one? Now my daughter begin tell her, say, go tell her me a lie, go tell her me put her clothes. Then the man will come lie down on top her. Do and finish, go tell her me get up, go. How many times? 4 times. So they do that investigation, finish that, they will go back to their office. The second day, their madam say, no, could come back. As we come back the second day, no come meet their madam again. We no go meet their overall for them. They no can we go see her before you know they come say Tomo could go back. We go meet all their normal staff where they handle case. So what we can go now, one of their barrister now will meet. Because that first where the madam discovered the thing, where they do parade for her. They bring the guy, bring 2 guys follow. That is the first investigation they do for their office. So they call ask my baby number, whether I know number, she can say yes. They say those 3 people where they come, they go carry numbers. The number where you see, if you look then go, you go tell us who be the person. So when those people enter, 3 of them enter, my daughter look the number. She say, now number 3 the guy carry. As they turn their face go, now they come ask my daughter, say, which number the person carry? My daughter say, now number 3.
Which is correct.
Number 3.
Yes.
Now they come go. Now the madam go say, they should not allow that guy go out of this place. So where those guys go, they come call the guy back. The DSS Oga. They come call the Oga back, say, you know this girl? The guy say, no, I don't know this girl. You know Sabi this girl, so I only know her for road where they used to sell for junction there.
That means you know her.
You know her.
Okay.
So, and what's happen? You know Sabi. You know I know Sabi. You won't call. You know this Oga say, hey, I know him now. He dey sleep with me. So the guy deny him. Now the madam say they should go and lock him up. Now they lock the guy up. That day will come out to come go. The second day now come. They come hear from us. Write it down. Write everything down. So when they come, the third day will come. They come carry the guy come outside. For this their lawyer side now. To hear from the guy. The guy still deny and say no sabi this girl. Now they come, they ask my daughter question for the guy front. Say, you say you no sabi this girl. Why this girl they talk all this thing? No 80 day or the size of the gun, the color of the gun. My baby says black. They ask her say the size of is it long like my daughter will tell the same if the slim that was saying hey, the size of the gun be this. Wait till they the room. My daughter tell the say the back for that their office again. They still ask my girl, my daughter where whose side the bed they lie down. My daughter stand close to the door, describe how the bed is, the size of the bed, student bed, everything, even the tiles color for the room, everything. My daughter talking for their fronts. So now that their barrister come, they tell this guy, say, this thing where they do, they ask you question here, you they deny. If this thing go court, if you court find the truth, it will not be easy for you. For here, will be colleague, will they talk to you, maybe this if you follow or beg these people, this thing, but you still they deny them. That is that barrister they follow up the case. You guys still deny. They come say, okay, now they carry paper, give me go write your own statement down. They don't already take our own. Now they do everything that they who come out to come go back.
So where the guy now? Where the case they now?
So the case they their office. Before you know they release this guy.
They don't release the guy
They
now.
release the guy, they walk inside the place.
The guy see they walk there
They
now.
walk, they open gates. Anytime I go there, man, they jam am for there. If they walk, they no lock.
So they don't leave him. They don't
They
scatter.
leave him. They leave him. The matter dey ground. They leave him. They waka for there. Nothing they happen because they know say we no get anybody to help us. Because they see say now only me they always come there. So the other day they say me could come. So Moga can't go there with me. As Moga can't go there, the same account he say me could come around 12. As we go around 12 now, so stay till 3 to 4. Now when you come, now Moga come tell and say, you get appointment with person. If you know say no go dey ready, why you tell us we could come around 12?
So up to now they never do that guy anything.
Then here now so we come Moga come begin quarrel with the guy, say quarrel with that barrister, say why you keep on like what they tell Moga say what waiting you want. As you come, you waste our time and you don't already tell us sorry. So what else you want? Did you quarrel my husband?
They say they don't tell us sorry. And that's it.
I know you tell us sorry, say waste our time as they keep us now.
Okay.
Now I can't say you don't already tell you sorry. Now what else you want? Where come they quarrel with me? Now did you quarrel with Moga? But talk no the grief. Now I can't tell Moga say, hey me leave that talk. They won't use this stuff, finish the whole thing.
Yes.
Don't follow and talk again. So when I can't talk to Moga.
Now, I won't stop you. What's be the name of that officer?
His name na Sunday Ondu.
Sunday Ondu. Nine be name.
I feel talking language man.
Sunday Ondu. Alright, so the general guy of DSS, his name na Adeolu Ajayi. I don't hear about the man. They say the man no they take nonsense, and the man a really good man. And since when I enter DSS, saying they really do well. Now, all these bad eggs for DSS, now they won't really spoil the work. I don't see any reason why somebody would take advantage of a girl of 12 years old and the same person, they no sack him, they no carry and go court, they no lock him up, they release him, and you see they work for that same place.
They work, listen, hear me, sir. So when we go, Moga can't do that day, and we supposed to go hospital that day. Because can't go there with our barrister that day. Because now only me they always come all this way. So one of Moga wants to say we could go there with barrister, he Moga to follow. So I don't know that because they see the appearance of the barrister or Moga present, now the man begin very follow Moga for and tell Moga make no talk. Leave the matter. Now so they don't do anything, we go back. As we go back, then 4 days ago, they can't say we could go to the hospital. Say that one had their madam, their own doctor. They say they go to their clinic, make their doctor check my baby. Whether they don't already sleep it. And then they know they shock waiting they happen. Because the guy they deny him. So now the result, now go make them know it happen. Now because me I know get whether I want to carry this girl go check her. They don't sleep it down. I wait me I know be that.
Okay.
So except now fake result come and the real result must come from somewhere. So what can't go to their clinic. Now the woman tell my daughter to enter inside. As she can't enter inside, the woman say make I follow her. As I follow, I put my baby. But you can't say how she go take check this girl. Either make it knee down or make it bend down. I don't even know how I go take check herself. Okay, lie down. As my baby lie down. Then she can't carry her hand, call my baby bum bum. She did do like this. Who is that doctor? They say she said they have used you. Who is that doctor that said they have used you? Now test with that too. I can't say madam you don't finish. She can't say. Now I call ask my daughter. Say Taratu, this doctor and the way check you for North Bank. Which one they lie? My daughter say now this woman they lie. Now I say no problem. Let's go. That is their own doctor for their own clinic. That one closed. And every day will go with barrister. That one that they close. We stay like 2 after 2 days they still call me. I go back there. They say we're supposed to go carry her go Tishi hospital. When I can't go, they keep me till they say madam I never approve. They say moto no day. They say for no day moto. The man say no be you no fit put him on inside. This their thing. Now process that they follow. They know they rush enter. Now so me I no get problem. Anyhow na they do amuku people. But God will help us to see the end. That day man they keep me money till the night. Other days at times they go call me, no go let me know in the evening. Go just get to call me. So that I will choke me man no problem. Me anything why they be if you come and they drop them and they go.
Okay, madam. We don't fit take laws into our hand. You understand? Because normally, if anybody take advantage of small picking like this, they go now jungle justice. But as we don't advance now, we know they preach jungle justice again. We will leave them in the house of the Oga. So I will take all these things, I will snap them, you understand, and I will take a petition to the Oga of DSS, the Oga Patapata, Ajayi Adeolu, And like I said, the man a very correct man and he knows what he's doing. So, but all these bad eggs won't really spoil the DSS work. You understand? So I will definitely get back to you. No worry, I will snap all these things. You understand? And then hopefully we will take the matter up.
So on 25th of this month, now we'll go to the hospital for the test. They called me around 3. They say I should come around 3:30. They won't choke me. I get a whole person here they play that day. I tell the woman, she they go as I won't go. So she no first be my mother. Something they do me. The woman say no problem. Since when I do, I never leave her hair like this. Make her go where they go. Around 3:30, 3:20 something. Now I'm no come for us. If you no come at the common shop, I know what makes people get any talk for my head. I won't follow them up. I carry my game. Morgan, if I leave the small girl for sure. I carry by 3:30. I reach their gates. Now so guy don't come where let's go. As we come reach the hospital, now I know it happen. Immediately you enter the emergency ward. Before you know this, their doctor will follow. That the same doctor will test my baby follow us. As we come reach there, I enter emergency ward. Before if you do my step like enter where doctors there, I will follow her go stand. The woman will tell me, say make a step aside. Now I say, madam, now the same market carry me and you come here. I no get anywhere to go. Anywhere step your leg, enter, I follow you. Except they lock the door, you no enter, I no go enter inside. Before you know, they come direct us from there, see we enter children hall. See no be these people when they here go check this girl. As we come follow ourselves when they go, we enter inside the children hall. I follow her go stand. She come the tell me, say make her come up from Obama, go to one side. Say na card she won't cut. This one now say my dad na paper I won't cut. I did your back for anything we want to do. Because that their own result, do my whole hand for hand. I don't know why she come.
No worry, me, I know what yourself.
So now,
no worry yourself. We will write. Me, I don't already know what's child. You know, say when things like this happen, that first period, if they go check, it's different from when they go check after like a few weeks. You understand? So no worry. We'll carry this matter above. No worry. Thank you. Just end this.